All right, so here's the track of the storm. It'll still be a tropical storm as it tracks through, let's say, around Atlanta, just to the north of Atlanta. So that means tree damage is possible, really all the way up into about southwest Virginia. Once it gets that far north, then it will transition, it will get attached to a frontal system, and it will become like a more normal, typical storm, but no longer a true tropical storm. And then the center moves south of us, but close enough to get us into the rain shield. Now, not only rain, but in the late stages of this, meaning sometime after midnight tomorrow night or Friday morning, there's enough moisture to keep the precipitation going. It may not be that heavy, but there'll be some moisture. Colder air will start to come down from the north, and that could allow for a mix or even a change to wet snow. Now, the higher elevations like the Worcester Hills, Monadnock region in New Hampshire, the Berkshires, they stand the best chance of having a little bit of an impact, meaning accumulation perhaps of a couple of inches in the highest elevations. If we do get some snow in our area here in eastern Mass without elevation, it might be hard to really have much of an impact, perhaps some grassy surfaces, and that would be on Friday morning. All right, so here you are tomorrow morning. Already overcast again. I mean, we're partially clearing tonight, but then we're overcast again by tomorrow morning. The first of the rain should be in here by noontime. Then the rain will get heavier during the course of the afternoon. The very heaviest will be to the south or the southern part of our area. But look what happens. We get to about 2 a.m. There could even be a little mixing as far east and south as 495. And then when you get into the higher terrain, that's where you're seeing the more purple colors. That actually would be snow. Now, everything will continue to progress south and east, meaning the rain-snow line, but the precipitation may not be that heavy. The heaviest is going to be in the form of rain that moves in tomorrow afternoon through the first half of tomorrow night. But there still may be some light snow lingering on into about midday Friday, then clearing by Friday night and a bright day on Saturday, but unusually chilly for this time of the year. This is a look at projected road temperatures on Friday morning. So you can see that's going to have a hard time having road impact unless it comes down pretty hard and in the higher elevations off to our north and west. This is our projection. Could be a coating to an inch on grassy surfaces north and west of Boston, but higher amounts off to the north and west. 1 to 2 inches of rain out of this and gusty winds tomorrow night as well as Friday, particularly along the coast and most especially for the Cape and the islands. All right, it's a cold Halloween, that's for sure, but a dry one. And Sunday, increasing wind again, and we could get some showers moving in. I'll see you later on tonight. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.